partnership. And but due to some reason उतना अच्छा टेक ऑफ नहीं कर पाई जितना करना चाहिए था. लेकिन विदाउट इंडस्ट्री रियली पार्टनरशिप it is very difficult now survive for the universities or institution. Unless until institution knows what you want, it would be difficult to produce final student product जो आपकी requirement को meet कर पाए. तो you come out, you give suggestion, and as I said in the beginning that we want your contribution or support on permanent basis. It is not one time just you came and गए बात करी और फिर चले गए. Exactly you come out, or we will try our level best to fulfill your requirement, and it should be a continuous basis, not one or two times. Then इतना फास्ट जो चेंजेस आ रहा है वर्ल्ड के अंदर, unless until we meet frequently, ना तो हम आपको समझ पाएंगे, ना हम आपको समझ पाएंगे, ना आप हमको समझ पाएंगे. इसीलिए हमारे वाइस चांसलर साहब ने जो इनिशिएटिव लिया है, फुल फ्लैश प्लेसमेंट सेल बनाया है. आप थिंक, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू नो प्रोफेसर रेहान सूरी. Right now today he is not here because yesterday he left for Delhi. Suddenly his mother-in-law died. Yesterday he left for Delhi for he took last flight. And but Rehan Suri is a very dashing person. He is a very competent person. He is working right now Central University Jamia Millia Islamia. He is consultant to our university, and we are getting help from him. We have a full-fledged cell, and but your cooperation is badly needed to this organization. This organization is really, if you study or examine or go through the profile of the university, it is really different. And we are ready to support at any, to any extent. If you give any suggestion, we will sit, we will fulfill, and whatever you want within our limitation, we will try our level best to fulfill. Once again, I thank all of you for coming to this organization, for this wonderful meet, and really I congratulate Professor Azim Saneem, Professor Badiuddin Saab, and their team members for organizing such wonderful event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And as a teacher, the better place the students are there. And every teacher wishes that the students are completely placed. So we are looking at 100% placements, and my wish, let me express, we are looking at work experience for students, and secondly, we look forward for collaborative research projects. So thank you guests, and I'm proud of my alumni students who are also sitting along with you as corporate delegates. Thank you, distinguished alumni. And now taking this opportunity, I request Dr. Shakil Ahmed Sahab to release the placement brochure for the year 2016-17. Hold those. the team leader, there are 12 teams. The team leader will escort you to Polytechnic Library, where you will have an interaction with these 6 students. 3 of them are second semester students, and 3 of them are 4th semester students. We welcome you to the next round of program, that is an interaction with students of MBA and MCOM, and the venue is Polytechnic Library, wherein our students will be escorting you. But before that, I request Professor Badiuddin Ahmed to propose the vote of thanks.
And Ghazal program also.
PPDUMT auditorium, where we have a Ghazal program. Once again, there our students will share with you the history of Ghazal and the Urdu vocabulary. So most welcome for the Ghazal program, and followed by dinner at University Guest House. Hope all the friends will join us in the complete program. Thank you.
Vice Chancellor Janab Dr. Shakil Ahmed Sahab, thank you for your being present with us and encouraging us for this very important event. And I also thank all the delegates of the different corporate organizations for having been present and giving their valuable ideas for our students, both commerce and management. And also thank our alumni and other persons, media persons here, IMC people, for thanking them for covering this program. So thank you very much. So we will move on to next program. Thank you. Thanks a lot.